mind, like, 9/11 synchronicities every day, man. Yeah, this shit be sinking into me, yeah, too advanced, but I'm on simplicity. I already know how this shit really gonna be, yeah. On my mind, nigga, infidelity, they always trying for that shit, man. I would never spend days, these years, motherfucking crying, nigga, but we gotta lay it out. And that shit be feeling like it dropped me from the inside. In the spiritual waters, yeah, I've been baptized. We the truth in the book, but all they talking lies. All them fakers, they gonna meet their maker. Nigga, y'all gimmicks like Cain and the Undertaker. They be trying to apply all fucking demise. But the shit you niggas don't know how this shit gon' ride. I see evil, civilized, let me civil.
They ain't never seen what I seen. All the things I done dreamt, all the things I done been. But now I do it different. Can you see me when a nigga really lifted? All you wanna see me when I'm down. And they don't come around. But they don't see me drown. And I don't know how to swim, but I still rise above the water. How this shit go in that order? But I ain't even tripping cause they know we gon' slaughter. Got killed, but we still here for the moment. And they ain't even hear what we on it. But that is like, ooh, you came in this meeting with the whole crew. KG and Lou, we go fool. But then we still give them that right shit. Tell them this is righteous. Don't get that when we on that right shit. I'm just trying to take flight quick. But they want me stuck in that central plane. But I ain't no central lane, so I gotta say this one game.
Yeah, they want us stuck in that 3D shit. Fuck it, y'all really gonna have to see this. Wow, we spent like Tasmanian double, bitch. But drop the double, bitch. We coming with them rebels, bitch. Coming to make trouble, bitch. Be on the double, bitch. Can't possible impossible. And no fucking unstoppable. But really can't stop us. Nigga, you know what's upon us. You niggas know we so huge and the bitch so humongous. They don't know who among us.
Humongous. They can't see that this shit is so humongous. But they think this shit funny like it's humorous. But I don't see shit funny. Don't see no evil, speak no evil. Or even hear that my ears plugged with. And tell them how we get, they don't really understand, but they understand and understand.
Yeah.
It's something a little different. Feel like Bob Simpson when I'm looking at this. Tell them they can't hear me with my headphones on, but I can hear them when they speaking with my headphones on. And they like, where you going? My mind gon' go. But I'm still here in another plane. Fly away on another plane. We here today, but wait till we meet to the motherland.
Yeah. Speaking of art, I'm a walking piece of art. And that piece of art, y'all don't get the shit from one day. That shit sweet and bitter, yeah, they really tart. Speaking of art, nigga, you know what I'm talking about. I can rumble, but we do not crumble.
Hey, and they can still eat my shorts.
The humility shit. They want us to be humble, but you already know what's going on, man. You already know what's going on, man. They talking about being humble, nigga. But we on humility, but they try to do humiliation ritual, try to humiliate a motherfucker, embarrass, but nigga, you already know we know us, nigga. Me is me, nigga. You know when I say A-twin, you know this shit be felt. You know when I say reflection, it ain't really just by myself. Niggas don't want to just do it. You niggas know we swimming in the spiritual waters on Michael Phelps. Some niggas don't know how Michael felt, nigga. I got too many Michaels up in my family. You don't know this shit, nigga. Angel Michael with me, nigga. They don't even get this shit, nigga. Name was on Mike, nigga. They don't get this shit, nigga. Go make Tyson get bigger, and the shit get bigger. Niggas sick get iller. Y'all say I get realer. Y'all don't get the shit iller. Say your soda get thriller. Man, you know it's big dealer. Nigga, we the hot willers. Y'all don't wanna do it, nigga. Turn niggas to niggas, nigga. Major pain, major shit. Chopping Joe taser, bitch. I can whisk that taser, bitch. Got hit with a taser, bitch. I'ma do it, I'm made for this. They don't even know this shit. They coming short like Newport. Or any type of cigarette. Y'all gonna see the silhouette. How the fuck you figure that? Like to see a nigga wet. Nigga don't get by that. Righteous nigga still pack sticks. Y'all don't wanna see this shit. Strike your ass like matches. Can you really catch this shit?
Striking shit like I'm putting my fist in the air striking shit. But they don't even want to see I'm like Mike Tyson when I strike a bitch. This shit is a little crazy, but they don't see the pavement. But if they try the shit, they might just see the pavement. We going up and away. Like they moving with the balloon. Tell them niggas we was gold. They call it monkey like we some boom. But I still going on. Tell them like I'm Tarzan, ho. They ain't ready for this shit. I'm telling them into all the stars and hold up. This a little different. What you do is bigger than, it's bigger than what you feel it, man. Tell them niggas that they don't get it, man. We tryna get different than just to fit it in, but we don't need this shit. Gotta have this shit. It's a difference. They don't get this shit, but living it, don't care. This how we gon' do what we do, when we do it. If you niggas be doing that shit when they said they do it, they niggas don't do it. Hey, it's a little bit different. I done said that many times in playing rounds, but this time I'm in a nigga on the running kind. This ain't different round. Hey, hit a nigga like who the thing, my belt bud, I be daddy thing, it's a daddy thing, when we anything, got me coming back like a boomerang, and a shit nigga like a hamstring. You don't wanna see a hangman, I'm playing games called a hangman like damn.
They hung themselves with they own rope, nigga. Bungee cord started snapping, get you choked, nigga. I ain't really just against the fucking flesh, nigga, but I can make you fucking hush, nigga. Adrenaline rush, the shit get much, nigga, it's horsepower. I already told you really don't know, man, you will get devoured. I know some entities be riding all my people, all my siblings. I ain't trying to kill you out, but nigga killing entities. Demons always try to try, I'm just trying to pry your eyes. Y'all don't really get this shit, I've been on some crying eyes. Nigga with a lying heart, I see that they lying, boy, and they tip me from the start. I know how this shit get off, I play dumb but hella smart. They don't get this shit, okay, nigga take away, nigga like lioness. Hey, I'm a lion, yeah, rockin' with lioness. Nigga, we up, loyal and royal, nigga, your highness shit, yeah.
Hey, this ain't no hiding shit, and ain't no denying it. This ain't pirate shit. If they're relation, tell them niggas elevating. If they hating, then they send up out their way like Sarah Payton. Giving it, and they ain't giving it back. We said they giving it, but they don't want to give it back. He said he giving and giving, but they don't want to give it
Respect.
back. So we gonna come and take it, tell them we taking it back.